Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing something different this time. I'm going to start doing unboxings of my PR samples. So if that's something that you would like to continue for me to see or show, please give me a comment down below in the comment section and let me know if this is the type of video you would like. I will be displaying Lynbdesign's December collections for PPU, Hella Handmade Creations, Little Box of Horrors, and also throwbacks in all of her collections. If you are new to the channel and you like live swatches and reviews or anything nail art or nail art related, please consider subscribing to my channel. It is free to do so. Just simply click on that also click on that notification bell so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to show the polish pickup polish for December 2024. This is the Power of Whimsy. And this is a pastel lavender base loaded with green to aqua to blue shifting shimmer. And you can see that here again, this is for December PPU. They will be 13 with no cap. Next, we have Hella Handmade Creations. This is Bodacious Bowties. This is a murky mustard base multichrome with purple to red to orange shifts. I thought that this was a really unique polish. It's one of those the pretty ugly polishes, very unique and different. I like it because it has that purple shift. They will be $13 with a cap of $150. This is for a Little Box of Horrors. This is called Jotunheim. And this is a warm purple to peach thermal base packed with pink to orange to gold shifting flakies and scattered black flakies. This is inspired by the Norse land of the giants. They'll be $13 with no cap. This is simply gorgeous, y'all. I fell in love with this one when I saw it. Look at those flakies, it's jam packed. And what I like about it, this is what I have on actually in this mani. And this is in the warm state. And I like the black flakies, y'all. It just gives it so much pizzazz with the black flakies. So be on the lookout for that. Also for Little Box of Horrors, she has a nail eyeshadow pigment that can both be used for nails or the eyeshadow. And this is called Spellbound. They are $13 with a cap of $50. This is a pressed nail pigment, a chunky linear hollow effect pigment. And also you could use this as an eyeshadow. So this is cute. Can't wait to display this one. The next three are her Dessert Obsessed Trio. This is Pie as a Kite. This is a key lime green base with hollow flakies, a mix of pastel hex glitters, black mech hexies, and rainbow iridescent square glitters. This collection will be $12 each or $36 for the collection. And I'll tell you the half off code when it comes time for that, but there will be a half off code. The next one is I Knew You Were Truffle. This is a warm dark chocolate base filled with a mix of hollow glitters and pink to orange to green shifting UCC flakies. This is very different, very unique. I can't wait to show you the swatch of all of these polishes. So please make sure you stay tuned for those coming up for December. I will have those in separate videos, of course, depending on what they are. But the collections will have their own video as well as the collaborative box. The next one is Cake It to the Limit. And this is a magenta to pastel green thermal filled with a mix of purple, pink, and yellow hex glitters and hollow micro shreds. This one is going to be very interesting, even just based on the description. So I can't wait to show you again the swatches of this one. I like this one. It's not as jam-packed with the glitters. The next series is of the Apricity Sibling Collection. They will be $12.48 for the entire collection. There will also be a half off code. This first one is Mesmeric, which is a pastel cornflower blue with pink to gold to green shifting shimmer. This will be the collection for you if you like pearlesque type of finishes. This is that collection. Next up, we're going to have Poisis. And this is a bubblegum base with green to pink shifting shimmer. So if you like a pearlesque type of finish, this is the collection for you. I think I pronounced it right. Poesis. Or poesis. 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 I really like this pink shade. It's really, really pretty. Next is Serendipitous, and this is a pastel green base with green to blue to purple shifting shimmer. Like I said, if you like a pearlesque finish with that shimmer, this is the collection for you. Look at that shimmer, y'all. And last but not least, we have Eclat. This is a pastel indigo base with pink to orange to gold shifting shimmer. This too is really, really pretty. I'm just enjoying the shift. I'm going to enjoy this collection myself. Now we do have this throwback. This is Juice is Loose. They will be $12 each. And this is a murky mustard base with blue to purple shifting shimmer. This one I just thought was very, very unique. I was shocked at this. I was like, what is this? This is so different. But this is really going to be pretty. I can't wait to swatch this one as well. And we have the Crackle for the month, which is Infinity Crackle. They will be $12. And this is a deep purple base multichrome with purple to pink to orange shifts and added hollow sparkle with a crackle finish. So this is the Crackle of the month, and this is what it looks like in the bottle. That's going to be very unique for a crackle polish. I'm glad she has a crackle polish that's a multichrome, but I would like to challenge her to do a multichrome crackle that's magnetic. Oh, that's going to be off the chain. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it with your polish family and friends. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear. Don't forget to watch out for these live swatches now.